I'm going to sit beside my mom to do the intro.
You did already.
No, we did the extra. The extra's different than the intro. We said goodbye. Now we have to say hello.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you.
And so am I. And I'm Fernanda, and this is my mom, Maria. And she's going to show me today how to make pesto from her balcony-grown basil. I've been having problems with that all recording. But all you need is basil, nuts, pine nuts preferably, but you know what? We used walnuts.
And garlic.
Garlic and olive oil.
And cheese.
And Parmesan cheese. Blended. We'll show you the process, so continue watching and we'll see you in a bit.
Okay, ciao for now.
Ciao for now. See you in 2 seconds. Now, you had more basil, but unfortunately, they did not survive for whatever reason. Maybe too much sun, maybe, what do you think?
I don't know. This survive. We'll make this.
Now, the reason why we're using walnuts today is because we didn't have pine nuts for one thing. But I looked online, 100 grams of pine nuts on the Walmart online is $7 per 100 grams, even more, like $7.50. So, you know, it adds up, right? So this is just another way of making it, I guess. You can even make it without nuts. You've made it once without nuts, right?
Without, with nothing.
No, didn't you make it once with the basil, the garlic, and the Parmesan?
No.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I thought you did. Okay.
Okay, get the oil.
Olive oil. Olive oil, not vegetable oil. And I have a whole bunch of olive oil here.
Apri sto cappuccino.
Oh, sto
cappuccino.
I'm trying to set my camera up. There we go. It's easy. You just go like that. Okay. First things first. Olive oil. Now again, my mother doesn't measure anything, so we're going by feel. We might have to do them in batches because this little guy might not be big enough, right?
Let's see. Okay.
You want me to do it instead?
If you want it.
Yeah. You'll show me how?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we have the basil and we have 4 cloves of garlic for now. Again, no exact measurements, so please, again, just add what you'd like. More? More garlic?
No.
Oh, not now. Oh, nuts. Okay, we're again using walnuts. Just add them in. Like that.
That's
More?
it.
That's it?
Yeah, for now.
More olive oil?
More olive oil.
Okay. Keep going. This is why you need a lot of olive oil before you begin. Be prepared. And then, oh! Wow.
A little bit more.
Wow. Okay. We're going to keep adding to this, or we're going to place this in the bowl?
Put it in the plate.
We're going to place that in the bowl. Okay.
So we're going to put with the cheese after in the plate.
Oh, after the cheese doesn't go in the food processor.
Just clean this.
Okay. That's precious stuff after all that olive oil we used. And then this here, we'll just empty that out, clean that out nicely. I just licked my finger. How much is the pesto at the store? What, $14.99 for like 50 grams? We're gonna scrape
Smaller than that one.
We're gonna scrape every ounce of this. Now, we have not added salt to this. The Parmesan cheese has a lot of salt in it, right?
Yeah. Here, share this.
Stir that. My mother's adding more olive oil. When it's in the blender, you're adding enough olive oil to be able to blend everything together, and then add whatever you need as you're stirring it in the bowl.
Yeah.
That's easy. This is the easiest cooking I've ever done. That's it? It's done?
Yeah.
This is awesome. Oh my God. I love it.
Que ponemos una hora de show.
No,
Eh?
I work enough. Leave me. All right. Now let's get it inside the container.
Det var inte klart.
Yeah, that's a lot. In relation to my hand, you know, it's a pretty decent amount, because when you're making, like, let's say I know when you're serving yourself, you add whatever you want. But let's say you're serving like a big group of people, like not big, 4, you have guests. How much would you need to make a thing of pasta?
Depends how much they like it. If they like garlic, if they like the cheese. Some people, they don't like garlic. Some people, they don't want cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, se ha un otro piatto.
Okay, I'm gonna go search for another container. I'll be back. I think I might have one. Stuff out of the way. We're making pasta too, and we're going to eat lunch together. Oh wait, Mom, let me show. Wait, before you begin. Look at her doing. Aspetta, I want to show. We chose the egg pasta.
Whatever pasta you like, it's no different.
Yeah, I know. But today, why did you pick the egg pasta? Just because you saw it sitting there and I haven't used it for who knows how long?
Because I like tagliatelle.
Ah. So do I. Nice.
Let me put a little bit more.
Okay. No, my countertops are not dirty. I used WD-40 once and I thought that because it removed all the gunk from my sink here, and then I ended up using it on my entire countertop. And yeah, don't use WD-40 on your countertops.
That's it.
How much did you add for this? This was 250 grams of egg pasta, right?
3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons of pesto. Okay. But it's so tasty. So looking at it, I'm thinking, oh, this isn't enough. But when you're eating it, it's more than enough. It's coated nicely, and the flavor is really, really nice, I have to say.
In the store, they don't even put anything. Not only walnuts or you
What do you
don't
mean?
taste not no mental net. Just whatever it's green or basil or parsley and a little bit of oil. You think they're gonna go and buy the cheese or
No? Oh, wow.
You buy
So look at
one
the
there,
ingredients.
you don't test anything
Yeah.
when you buy one from the store.
Yeah. So at least when you're making it from home, you have control over all the ingredients.
Va bene, grazie.
Okay, now she's got the hint.
Prego, adesso, grazie, me ne frego.
Oh. You know what I'd like to do? Okay, wait there. Don't move.
Where are my statues?
Yes. Aspetta, where'd my camera go? Here, don't move. Aspetta. Got my finger. Thank God I wasn't recording.